Hello everybody, today I got an update to my most popular video, the 4x4 last two edges algorithm, and I've got a lot of feedback saying I should go slower, it's way too fast, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you a slower way of doing it, and also to that bonus, I'm going to show you two more ways of solving it, which will definitely make your life easier, because I think they're much more convenient, and I found it out like a year after I made that video. And yeah, it's much faster. So this algorithm where it's on the side, so yeah, the one side and another side in front of you, where the edges that need to match are in the same layer, this one in the same layer, so is this and this. And yeah, so here we go. Let's try that again. So from here, it's like yeah, so fast it should look like this. The next two are where instead of holding it on the side, you hold it on the mismatched edges are on the side, like this. No, not the side, the top. So both of them are going to be in the same place, so in the front and right. So let's start off with this one. And this one is a mirrored case. So if you look at it from here, this is just a mirror of that. Okay, so here, let's go. Let's try that again. So mirrored one. Pretty simple. Next one, it's when you look at it from here again, this is not mirrored this time. This time, yeah, that's just the only description, it's not mirrored. So you're gonna still hold it in one edge in the front, one edge in the right, and do this algorithm. So let's try that again. Oh, goddamn. So here. Yeah. So I hope you found that helpful. Just an update to my last video. A lot of feedback, also a lot of views, which is kind of weird. That's my only video with over 1,000 views, and also the only video with over 18,000. But I only have a little bit of subscribers, which I don't care because I'm not trying to get a lot of subscribers. I'm just trying to get content out onto the web just to help people. So I hope that helped you, and I'll see you next time.